Whew. Excuse me.
You nasty little worm.
Whew. This air circulate. Whew. What's up, everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay guys, so today was supposed to be a whole different video, but I needed to bring you guys a haul because I found some really good stuff at some really good prices and they're really good. So we're just gonna hop right into the haul because it's a little toasty in here. I had to turn the air off so you guys wouldn't hear it, and I just had to wear this long sleeve shirt for some reason. It was really cute. It's giving carpal tunnel, but make it fashion. So yeah, let's hop into the haul. Okay, so first up is going to be a sculpture. Did I need another one?
No.
Probably not, but I got it anyway. So you guys know I can't turn down a sculptural piece, and I have been eyeing this piece for some months, like waiting for it to go on sale, and it finally did. It is just amazing. So I needed something really cool and unique to replace this basket right here that I have in my pedestal here in my bedroom, because this is actually going to be going in my other room when I get that together, and I thought this would play off really well with my lamps because of the color and the texture. And this is actually, I read up on it, it was inspired by the works of Pablo Picasso.
So did he?
Fancy. Excuse me.
You nasty little worm.
And it's made of resin. It has this really cool etched lined texture on it, and he kind of looks like he's saying hey. Do you see that? Isn't that so cute? Like he's waving, like saying hey, come get me. So I did, and it's gonna look so dope on my pedestal. Actually, let's go ahead and put it up, see what it looks like. Can you guys see that? We're loving that. I'm loving that. Looks so good, and it's gonna look so good when the light hits it, when I'm sitting in my bed and just admiring its beauty. And the best part is that I got him on sale. So everywhere else it was $250 and up, but
Get the thing
I searched high and low and I found it for $91, plus I got an extra 10% off. I think it was like a first time customer discount or something. So I will leave that link down below. I know, hold your applause.
I try to do what I can do when I can do it.
Thank me later. Okay, I told you guys that I have been trying to complete my whole design plan for my Drea lair. That's what I've been calling it, my second bedroom. And it's almost complete if IKEA ever restocks the Billy bookcase. I don't even want to talk about it. I'm so annoyed with IKEA right now, but it's actually kind of a blessing in disguise because I don't know if I want to go with white bookcases or black bookcases. I'll put up both of the mood boards that I created on Canva so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I really don't know if I want white or black. Like, it's low-key stressing me out.
I'm in a bind, Nate.
The white is very clean and gives it a feminine touch, but you guys, did I say that right? Feminine. Feminine. I said that right. Tripping. I'm hot. That's what it is. Just a little hot.
Sit down, man.
It is hot as Satan's toenails in here.
But it gives it a little bit of a feminine. Oh my gosh, now I can't say it. It gives it a little bit of a feminine touch, but you guys know I'm very unisex, design, aesthetic forward. I just be making stuff up. But I like a unisex type, gender neutral type design aesthetic, and the black really gives me a moody vibe. So let me know down in the comments which one you guys like better. But anyway, back to the subject at hand. I needed some cool lighting to go on there that'll fit the whole aesthetic. I can't talk. You know, the whole vibe is Wabi, Moroccan, Belgian modern, all the dope stuff just mixed all together. I shared it in a haul, you know, my whole thought process on that. I shared it in a haul a couple videos ago. So I found these lamps at Homegoods, and let me put it together. So I found these lamps in Homegoods. They only had two and I grabbed them both. They were only $49.99 a piece, and it has this like jute material right here. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited about this. So it comes with this little wooden tripod base. It's like 3 little legs here on the bottom, and this actually comes out so you can change it if you want to, but I just love it. It's really gonna give me that texture. It's really gonna give me that texture and warmth that I'm needing in there, and the fact that it's so covered like here and you can kind of see a little bit through, it gives it a really soft glow. Let me plug it up so you guys can see. So you see how it gives like this little soft glow? It's gonna be so pretty in that space. Like I said, I got 2 of these and I'm so hyped about it. I was looking for dupes of this or the originals of this, and I saw that Cb2 had a collab with Lenny Kravitz, which I knew they had a collab, but I just didn't really pay attention that much to it. And he has a jute lamp type piece in his collection as well, but that one is $400 and back ordered till December.
No sir, not me.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. Like, don't get me wrong, it's very beautiful, but I'll take $50 over that. And like I said, you can take this lampshade off. So this is just a vase I got from H&M. So you can take the lampshade off of that and put it on here and make it a little bit, you know, more of what you want it to be, or just get a different vase in general. So yeah, I'm really excited about this, and I just love, you guys know I've been really into these cylindrical lampshades because they give it a modern touch, but they just are so aesthetically pleasing to me. Like, I love it. Whew. This air circulate. Alright, so next up, I actually got a bowl from Homegoods. This was $24.99, and just bear with me because I know it looks a little crazy. So I follow this amazing content creator named Nelly on Instagram. I will show you her page here on the screen. All her reels are just breathtaking. Like, her content is amazing. It's very, you know, calming. I just love looking at all of them. And in one of the reels, I saw this organic black bulb that I was dying to have. So I was going to try to make one, but honestly, I don't really like doing DIYs.
Do not like him, can't stand him.
Like, if need be, I'll do one, but if I don't have to do one, it's a plus. So this is gonna be half of a DIY because all I'm gonna do is spray paint it. And like I said, I got it from Homegoods. It was just mesmerizing because of the texture on the inside. It's the perfect example of modern organic. And doesn't this remind you of The Mask with Jim Carrey when he found it and he was like, look on the inside before it took over his body? Kind of looks like burnt toast a little bit too. That's so funny. But yeah, the texture is there, the shape is there. All I have to do is spray paint it black and put a matte finish on it, and it's going to be amazing. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put this on my coffee table just to kind of switch things up on there. So yeah, that's that. Now you guys know I love spheres. It's not a secret. So I had to grab these when I saw them in Homegoods. I'm planning to put them in that bowl when I finish spray painting it, because I saw this image on Instagram. It was these, I think they were called limestone water filtration balls or something like that. I'll put a picture up on the screen, but they look so good in this little bowl that the person had set in their space, and I was like, I'm gonna recreate that. So I literally bought 4 of these. Like, I'm not kidding, I got 4 of them. Like, legit got every one I saw that day, and I haven't seen them since, so I'm glad I grabbed them all. These were only $16.99 a piece, and these are alabaster spheres. I don't know if I said that or not, but they're made from alabaster. And I may end up getting some of those limestone balls that I saw on Instagram, because those are only $25 just to fill the bowl up a little bit more. These are gonna look so good in my bowl after I spray paint it black. They're just gonna pop and give it everything that I needed to give. So excited about these. And last but not least, I got another little piece that rhymed.
Bars.
For my Drea layer, it's actually a salad bowl that I just found randomly sitting in the decorative section of Homegoods. It was on clearance for $5, so I just grabbed it because why not? Like, It's $5. Plus it's cute. So I love the dark wood on it and the texture that it has. It has these little indentions. I don't really like the inside of the bowl. I would rather it be like the color of the outside, but I plan on putting this on a bookshelf that's kind of high up so nobody will see the inside. And yeah, just love the texture of this. I think it's going to bring some dimension and depth, and like I said, some more of that Wabi Moroccan aesthetic that I'm needing in there. Something a little bit more rustic but a little bit refined at the same time. Love it so much, and I'm actually not mad at this for like dinnerware. Like if I can get a set of these bowls, that'd be great. Love it. Ooh, made it. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. Don't forget to let me know down in the comments if you like the white bookcase or the black bookcases, because I'm leaning towards the black, but then when I look at the white, it's like, oh, those are cool too. And like I said, it's low-key stressing me out. So let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourselves, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then,